Why is everyone staring at me? I just said no to the food and now it feels awkward.
Oh no, did you say no directly? That can sound rude in some cultures.
I didn't mean to be rude. I was just full and nervous.
Don't worry, viewers. By the end of this lesson, you will politely talk about culture in English anywhere.
This happens to many English learners. You say correct English, but people feel bad. Today, we fix that problem. Culture and language work together.
And yes, if this helps you, like the video and subscribe. It really helps us.
Now, let's go back to the story. So, I was visiting Paul's family abroad. New country, new culture, different food, different habits, big smiles everywhere. Paul's mother gave me more food. I was full.
And then, the problem.
I said, "No, I don't want more." Silence. Everyone looked shocked. My heart dropped. I thought, what did I do wrong?
The English was correct. The culture was not. Let's show the wrong English again. Repeat after me, learners. No, I don't want more.
Good, grammatically correct, but culturally too strong.
In some cultures, direct no sounds cold. Now, let's fix it with soft English. Try this instead. It's delicious, but I'm full. Compliment first, then the reason. It's delicious, but I'm full.
Exactly. That sounds warm and polite. After that moment, Paul helped me.
I jumped in fast. I said, she really loves the food.
That saved me. Everyone smiled again. Culture tip. Sometimes people help each other save face. Save face means no one feels embarrassed. Simple phrase, big meaning. Repeat after me, learners. Save face.
Good. You can use this phrase later. Later that day, another problem came.
Oh yes, the shoes. I walked into the house with shoes on. Everyone stopped talking. I felt stupid. I said, "Sorry, I forgot."
That was good English, very natural. Let's practice it, learners. Sorry, I forgot.
Perfect. Short, honest, human. You don't need big words. Simple English works.
Then my uncle asked Emily a question. He asked, why do people in your country do that?
I panicked and said, "Because it's normal."
Oof, that sounded defensive. It was true, but not friendly. Let's fix it. Better English builds bridges. Say this instead. In my culture, it's common.
Pause the video and repeat, learners. In my culture, it's common.
Great. Calm, neutral, no fight. Then Emily asked me something.
I asked, "Why do you eat so late?"
My aunt laughed. She liked the question.
Why did that work?
Because you sounded curious, not judging. Let's practice curious English. Why do you usually eat so late? Pause the video and say it, learners.
Nice. Add usually to sound softer. Small words change the feeling. That night, I learned something important. Culture is not right or wrong. It's just different.
And English helps you show respect. Let's review key phrases. First one, it's delicious, but I'm full.
Excellent. Second phrase, sorry, I forgot. Say it with confidence, learners.
Nice job. Third phrase, in my culture, it's common.
Very useful sentence. You can use it anywhere. Now, quick mini test. Imagine this. Someone offers you food again. What do you say? Pause the video and say it now, learners.
Great, you said it politely. Next situation, you see something strange. You want to ask, not judge. Pause and ask with usually.
Perfect. You're doing amazing. One last moment from the story. The goodbye hug. I wasn't sure. Hug or not?
You froze like a robot.
I said, what do we do?
Everyone laughed, in a good way.
That sentence saved me.
Let's practice it, learners. What do we usually do?
Great. Honest questions build connection. By the end of the visit, I felt confident Not perfect, just confident. I could speak English with culture.
And that is today's goal for you. You can politely talk about culture in English. You can say no kindly. You can ask questions without fear.
And you can fix mistakes naturally. If this lesson helped you, tell us in the comments. Write one sentence about your culture. Practice these phrases today.
And subscribe for more real English stories. You can do this. You already are doing it. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, learners.